little thing in there. And then, oh, that's too small. Bear with me. Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be playing and making some what do you call this, decorated side pocket, triangle pocket, whatever you want to call them. So this is the page I'm going to decorate. What I've done, so that's the journal. I cut the two, so they comes like that, as you know. So I cut the two triangle pieces. So that's the page that we're going to be working today. I have used those two cards that I made using Tracie Fox Creative kit. So as you can see, as you know, sorry, I'm part of Tracie's lovely design team, wonderful creative ladies, and I'm so happy to be part of the team. I showed you how I made this, a simple collage with some black electrical tape and lots of different layers. So I will put the link of this video down below if you guys want to check it out. Wonderful digital kit. And today I'm going to be playing with another kit that is called Weatherstone Ephemera. And I'm going to be playing with it. I wanted these two lovely ladies, and I'm going to be using some of that. Also, so in my head, let me tell you what is going on in my head, so it kind of like explain the process. So I'm going to decorate those two triangle side pockets there, and I'm going to stick them down so that will create a pocket. I also got these, I've made this last year. I made 3 of those. They are basically altered triangle hanging puzzle pieces. Again, I will put, if you're interested to see how I made those, I'll put the link down below. So they're wonderful. I know it's one of my most watched and commented videos, so thank you for this, guys. I love them. I'm extremely addicted. I use a very big it's like a Christmas puzzle, so I decorate them. And what I wanted to do, I want to use them, but I still want the triangle to be like pockets. So you still be able to put things inside or not, totally up to you. But I want that to stay like this. So, but I thought what we're going to do, I'm going to be playing with the new toy that arrived at Christmas by lovely Santa. We're going to put some eyelets. I want 3 eyelets, 1 on each corner, and might do 1 in the middle. I just need to figure it out how I'm going to attach the chain to this triangle piece. I might have to use like a little what words I'm working on, little what you call it, like circle things. I'll show you later on. Okay, so what we're gonna do, start with the triangle pockets first. I call them pockets. I don't know if they're pockets. So put that in there for now. So I'm gonna cut her because we really like her. Very vintagey. So yeah, Tracie Fox is a wonderful digital creator. She's got amazing website. So as usual, I'll post Tracie's website down below, and also have wonderful ladies part of a creative team. I'll put every single one of them YouTube channel down below so you guys can go and check them out. Wonderful ladies. So should we put her straight and then we cut it? Yes. Now I need to bear in mind, brush glue that I just need to remember the orientation of the triangle, because one is on left corner, one is on the bottom right corner, because we don't want people to be, those two people to be upside down, because knowing myself was something that I will easily do. So put that in there. And also we are going to use this little piece here. I love ephemera like this because you can simply cut them based on what you need, and you've got all different dimension. No, something for that, which we're going to use this lovely funny moon face, but she's gonna be chopped, so I'm not too fussy about fussy cutting it. I just want to be, oh, she can go there. So she goes there. We need something for that, and we're going to use this piece here. I just want a very basic collage, because there's a lot of things going on the page anyway. So because we're going to have the base of the actual page is very detailed, then we're going to put the little puzzle piece, so there's a lot going on. Okay, let me clean. Okay, so very basic, guys, like nothing too scared or too crazy. Just need to chop that off. So I'm going to cut. And again, this is sort of project, guys, that you can do in the evening while you watch TV. Forgot I'm using the best new scissors. What's gonna say? Oh yeah, so you can watch, so because you don't have to really concentrate when you do collage things. Yeah, exactly what I wanted. Then I think we're going to put these somewhere. Oh, actually, there is a black. I don't know if is this too big. Let's try this banner. It might be too big, but if it's too big, we're going to use the small one. Let's try. I need two anyway, one from each triangle, so we're probably going to use them both, to be fair. No, I quite like it. Let's put some glue. Okay. Once this dry completely, I'm going to do this one there. Again, guys, same principle. No, I want a face. Just need to make sure the face is there. So put some glue there. Yeah, we want her face. Excuse me. Then on this one, we're going to put the clock, because we like the clock. It's very nice today. I've got the windows open. I mean, it's very cold, but it's very sunny as well. So, and this room here is on the back of the house, where it gets the sun all day long, so it's quite nice and warm even when it's freezing, because the sun just shines, and you've got a really big, huge window, so it's quite pleasant. Okay, so we're going to put the roses in there. Perfect. Choo-doo-doo. And just the clock in there. So put some glue. Clean the glue from the desk. That's my another resolution for 2022. Hashtag clean as you go. Or tidy up as you go. So that saved me lots of time after the video. I'm conscious I'm using my best scissor for glue things, and I should not be doing it. I am very, very naughty. I love this scissors, I'm addicted. Okay, chop, chop. Okay, so they're going in the bin. Okay, so, oh, the banner. This is popping out, and it shouldn't. Oh yeah, let's pop that there. Let's pop it here. Okay. So, holes. That's the small one there. Okay, so we're going to put this. The first time I'm using this for eyelets setting. So bear with me because I'm learning as I go along. There. No. Yeah, because I'm very naughty because I'm not waiting for things to dry off properly. But you know me, I'm very impatient. Yeah, that's the one thing I don't like about it. Not that I don't like it, I understand the reason. Is that you've got to put the little piece of the hole. Then I've got my eyelets. So I've got bronze and metal. So they've got bronze, silver and copper. And gold. 4? Yeah. So I think am I gonna use them all in a different... Oh, I think I needed a bigger hole. Do I need a bigger hole? I think this hole is too big. Bear with me, guys, because I'm doing it as a... Oh yeah, I needed a bigger hole. So I guess... Now, I never used this before, so I'm guessing... Is this got different... Yeah, I guess that's what you do. And that's the top. Because that goes in. Right, let me try to work this out. So I think... And then just press it. Is that right? No. Right. Bear with me, guys, while I'm trying to work this out. Right. 15 minutes later and 2 YouTube videos later, how to use the crocodile. What Antonio didn't do is all written here, but this comes with instructions. Did I read the instructions? No, I didn't. So it's totally my fault. Base and top. Simple as. So what I was doing, I was doing it this way. So this is the result. That's the practical, that's the trial piece. So yeah, oh silly me. But yeah, so once I figure it out, yeah, so the pockets are ready. Okay, so this is exactly what I wanted. You know, it is what it is. I don't read anything because I am a silly person. But now I know I need to read things. Never mind. Lesson learned. In fact, I think I actually throw the instructions away with the packaging. So, but thank God we have YouTube and you can Google everything and you find the answer that you need. Right, little ring, that's the word I was missing earlier. Now I'm hoping, this is the smallest that I have. I'm hoping it's going to fit. Please fit. Please fit. Please fit. No, I don't think it's gonna fit. I think it's too big. Ugh. Today is one of those days. No, I think it's too big. No. Right, we got the problem. So how am I gonna attach that there? Oh, solution found. Where is the ring? Right, let's get a new ring. I know what to do. So what we're gonna do, simple as, instead of put it through the chain, right, bear with me, I need to do this off camera because it's too complicated. So I just put that through the little thing in there And then, oh, that's too small. Bear with me. Right, I'm back. So, at least you can see, guys, it's no happy, straightforward thing. Sometimes it's actually not. So, and you can see my actual process, because I'm learning with you guys. This is not a how-to channel. This is a journey that my journey I'm sharing with you. So that should give me, yes. Oh, thank goodness. Now just need to turn it and squeeze it. Squeeze it as stronger as I can. Yeah, I think that should do. Turn on the other way around. Yay! Yes, I am very happy with that. So, I need some food now. I'm exhausted. That's my gym exercise for today. No, I'm kidding. So, right. Oh, this is the most, not complicated, but the most energized pages. Now this is too short. Oh, goodness me. All right, guys, it is one of the days, and this is the beauty of it. So this is not gonna have a bottom, unless, should we still do it? Yeah, let's still do it, and then this is gonna go on top. Yeah, let's do that. Let's be, what's the word? Let's be controversial. So, double side tape, because when I stick little delicate things like this, let me just check that I know what I'm doing. Glue sometimes can go all over the place, but I just want just these two sides to be stuck down. So peel it off. Thank you for peeling off easily. Thank you for peeling off easily. So I think I need to go, yeah. Okay, let me just give it, sorry the camera shake, but I just need to give it a really good press. Yeah, so I got a side pocket. I love her, she's really, really pretty. And then we do exactly the same, so I need to put the tape there and there. I hope you enjoyed watching my silly videos. They're not silly, but you know what I mean. But I'm not editing and make it look all perfect, no way, because that's not who and what I am. But yeah, just enjoy my silly moments and my when things don't go. No, stick down, do like your brother did on the other pocket. Yes. Don't be naughty. Right, moment of truth, just make sure everything is where it should be. Yes, okay, right, stick there, don't move. You stick there, don't move. I'm hoping, yeah, perfect. It tiny, it comes out like little bits, but I can live with that. So that's the page, yeah, that's the pockets. Oh, I'm exhausted. Right, guys, I hope you like these inspirational pockets video. Yeah, if you do them, yeah, make sure that's on the base, that's on the top. And make sure you measure things, not do anything like I do. Right, guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, I'm only asking you a big thumbs up, because that will support the video and the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well.